Hello! In this video, you will learn how to create a hot text interactive response question. Under question type, you're going to click interactive response, and then it'll bring you to this page. We're going to click the first one, which is hot text, and our question editing page pops up. The hot text question item is not an item choice where you can just snip a picture, paste it into the editing box, and type answer choices after it. You can add a picture and then your text, but it's not as simple as it would be for a multiple choice answer question. This question type requires you to be able to either copy and paste already created words into the editing box or type everything into the editing box. Now, I'm going to copy and paste because otherwise we're just going to be here all day. As a quick reminder, to copy and paste something on a computer, you press the Control and the C button to copy, and then the Control and the V button to paste. On an iPad, you would double-click on the word, highlight the selection that you wish, then press the copy button that pops up, go into your new screen, click on the editing box, and then a paste button should pop up and you click paste, and it will paste just like it does on the computer. So once we get here and we have pasted all of our stuff, there are several different ways to add placeholder responses, which is where the students will click for their answers. For me, I found it easier just to paste everything in the box and then highlight it first and click Add Placeholder. If you're typing it in, then you would need to click Add Placeholder Response, skip what the answer you want to be in the box, and type the rest of it. When you go to the next page, you'll get to type in what your answer in the box you want. But like I said, for me, it's easier just to paste everything first, and then I'm going to highlight what I want as their answer choices to pick from and click Add Placeholder Response. Then I'm going to go to the next one, which is here. And now watch what happens. For some odd reason, it moves it to the next line. So to fix that, you highlight the paragraph and you click Justify. That way it makes it look like it's still part of the same paragraph and your students don't get confused thinking that now there's another paragraph that's not labeled. So then I'm going to go to paragraph 5 and highlight the placeholder selection there. And paragraph 6. Once I've chosen all of the places that I want to be placeholder responses, I then click Continue. And on the next page, it shows me my choices. So because this question requires them to select 2 answers, I'm going to come over here and click on Many Choices. And I don't want the students to be able to just click one choice. So I'm going to click the minimum choice of 2 and the max choice of 2. And then I'm going to choose the correct answers. Notice that the words that they're choosing as an answer choice and the other words are the same. So to make them look different, you click Edit and then Update. And now all of the answer choices that they're going to pick from will stand out from the other words around it. If you don't want them to stand out, that's fine. You can just not click the edit buttons. Once you've decided, yes, that's what it's supposed to look like, then you click Update, and we have created a hot text question. But before we move on, we always want to make sure to check and make sure that we didn't mess anything up. So click Online, and we see this is how our students will see the question. Congratulations! You have now learned how to create a hot text question. Thank you for watching.